All right, so we are looking at the equation of a straight line. This is the basic format of the equation. Y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient, which represents the slope, which tells us how steep the line is, and also the gradient also represents the rate of change. C represents the y-intercept. This is the y-coordinate at the point where the line cuts the y-axis. So now there are three ways to find the equation of a straight line. All right, today what we're going to be looking at is the gradient point form. That's the first way that we're going to be using. In that format, you will usually be given the gradient of the line and the point the line passes. So here is an example. Find the equation of the line with a gradient of 3 that passes through the point -2 and 6. All right, so what we're going to need to do first is we're going to have to write this formula here. Y minus y1 equals m open brackets x minus x1. Right, this is the way you put the equation. All right, so we have our gradient of 3, so we're going to replace m with 3. We look at our point. Our x1 is -2 and our y1 is 6. So here we're going to have x minus, so x1 is -2, so put here -2. On the other side here we have y minus, y1 is going to be 6. All right, so let's expand on the right hand side. First we have 3 open brackets x, negative and negative make positive, so x plus 2. Now on the other side we have y minus 6. So we expand, we're going to say 3 times x, that is 3x, plus 3 times 2, that is 6. Okay, now if we remember, as I said, the equation of a line is y equals mx plus c. So basically you want y to be a subject of the formula. So in this case here, we want y to be the subject of the formula. So we take this -6 over to the right hand side. So we're going to have 3x plus 6. Since this was negative, it crosses over, it becomes positive. So it's a plus 6. So the equation of our line is going to be y equals 3x plus 12. So as I said earlier on, our gradient is 3. Our y-intercept is 12. This is the y-coordinate where the line cuts the y-axis. Are we okay with this one, Abduzak? Any questions? Okay, no questions.